you wanna go.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Alright, so I'm just gonna hop right into this video. Before, my hair was like super healthy and long and curly and thick and all of that good stuff. My hair was actually very damaged. I had heat damage, color damage. I used to dye my hair like all the time. One of my favorite things to do while I was transitioning from damaged hair to healthy hair was wearing wigs. Wigs were like the main thing I used to do. 3-4 years ago, I was wearing wigs all the time. Just anything where I was able to switch my look up without damaging my natural hair even more than it already was. My hair started to grow and get super healthy. I cut out heat completely. Like, I wasn't dyeing my hair anymore. I wasn't using any type of heat anymore. I was just keeping my hair braided or twist up or something underneath wigs. So wigs are literally one of my favorite protective hairstyles. Today I'm going to show you guys a super cool and beautiful wig that's so easy to apply. Like, this is really great for beginners. So I have this beautiful wig from Geniuswigs. And it is so cool because let me show y'all real quick why this wig is so cool. This wig has like a little band on it, so you literally can plop it on your head without really doing anything else. Like, it's so easy. Color is like 1B. My natural hair is about a 1B. It's just like a dark brown. And what's so cool about this wig is it literally is gonna take me like 5-10 minutes to put this thing on. So what I'm gonna do is just go ahead and brush my hair back into a super slick bun. I'm gonna go ahead and lay my edges first because your edges will be out. So that's what gives it the really natural look. Like, it looks like it's your hair. So I'm just gonna take this edge control and start to slay my baby hairs. My edges are pretty much laid as best as I can do. So now I'm gonna take this beautiful wig, and she is 18 inches, 150 density. So she's really thick. Please don't take me serious. And today I'm actually gonna spray it, so I want it to be wet and wavy. So this wig actually comes with 4 combs. There is 1 in the back and 3 in the front for security to make sure that your wig ain't going nowhere. The little headband that's attached to the wig is Velcro in the back, so you could go ahead and tighten that before or after. I think I would just slide my wig on first, then attach that, because then I could actually measure how much I need to be attached. And go ahead and tuck that under my bun, and then slide this baby forward. First comb and dig that under. Take the middle comb and put that under and slide that right under too. I'm gonna actually take this and put it in the bun real quick so I could attach the 2 little flaps on the side. This is such a cool idea. This is crazy. It really looks so natural. It looks like I literally have a headband on right now. You could slick this down. You could do 2 little braids if you wanted to. That'd be super cute. You could put some flexi rods in this. That'd be super pretty, and leave them in overnight. And then you'll have some pretty big voluminous curls. But today, I'm gonna wet her up. Ooh. So now that it's all wet and beautiful, I'm gonna just show y'all the back of it real quick so you can see what it looks like without product.
I hope you feel that way too. No, I don't wanna lose you, baby, don't go.
So I'm literally gonna add this much of a curling cream. Just put that mainly on the ends so my ends could be like super curled. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of this Fruity Sleek and Shine Anti-Frizz Serum. I love to use this serum on my real hair, but I also love to use it on weaves because it doesn't weigh the hair down. And it smells so good. So you can actually choose to wear the headband that just comes with it, which is just black. And it's cute and simple, and it goes with anything. Like, it'll go with this outfit I have on today, which is just an all black 2-piece set. Or you can go ahead and switch it up and wear other kind of headbands over it. And Geniuswigs actually sent me 3 other headbands, and I don't know which one I want to wear today. They're all cute. I don't know which one should I wear, you guys. I don't know. Let's just put this one on first and see what it's hitting for. This one is super cute. I really like this one. I should just try all of them on, right?
When I get you back, oh yeah.
This is so convenient. It's super great for like just if you want to just go run to the store real quick but you don't feel like doing your hair. I'll make sure to have all the information down below in the description box with my discount code somewhere here on the screen. So make sure y'all check the description box for your discount code if you didn't catch it on the screen. And I will have all my other information down below. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. And I will see you guys on my next upload. Mwah.
Won't let you down.